Hello traders, this is 4X Nelson. I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is March the 26th and I'm using my new 4X-SCALPER trading system. This is a great scalping system. Helps you to get into the trade and then it's up to you to manage it to see how many pips and or ticks you can get out of the market. This system uses the 4X-SCALPER, that's this moving average. It changes from blue to red. You'll also get these arrows, blue and red arrows. They're called the super signal indicator. These arrows along with the goal line is called the TZ indicator. It'll show you the cycles for going up and or down. And that's what you have to learn to trade the, the cycles for them of the market. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box right here suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock New York time, I'm in front of the computer. That's right where this vertical line is. I'm looking at all the different instruments and of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Once I figure out I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. It checks all the charts and the time frames from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes. Does some calculations, and within the comments here it'll say either look for bullish trades, bearish trades. Some will be preferred, and you'll even get some that's running flat or say something like not enough strength. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, like my mentor told me many years ago, the reason why a very high percentage of traders are failing because they don't even have any kind of a daily trade plan. Doesn't have to be this one, but you have to have some kind of a daily trade plan. And after many different daily trade plans, I found that this one was the best one I came across so far. Now if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, get in contact with me. And also you can get some more information on this daily trade plan right below this video in the description. Okay, now we can check out these trades I did. As you can see, I took them all before 9 o'clock, closer to 8:30, and I closed them all out between 10 and 10:26, as you can see here. Okay, on this Euro New Zealand, first thing, I'm going to drag and drop this up. Now this one I bought. Arrow from the daily trade plan, the super signal, the scalper. Market decided to do one more little cycle and then it finally went up. I was 95% sure it's going to give me something. I just never know what that something is. But as long as it's positive, that's all I care about. So Euro New Zealand, close it out here. Looks like with 13 pips, and I paid out $80. Okay, moving on to the next trade, Pound Aussie. Another one I wanted to be buying, so we're going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything was looking good for going. This movement from here to there, I teach how to trade this. It's called trading pullbacks. But this scalper was blue arrow, lots of blue down at the bottom, as you can see, and away it went. After I pulled the trigger, looks like I locked in 12, and those 12 pips paid out $82. Remember, trading 4X pairs, it's okay as they're a little bit slower moving, and you can certainly still make some pips and money. But eventually, once you've been doing this long enough, you'll realize exactly what I realize. Time to switch over to the futures and the indexes. And they move a lot more and pay a lot more, as you can see. They're usually down at the bottom. As I have it in order, from least amount of money to the most amount of money. Just have to click on this tab where it says profit, and it'll put it in that order. So let's run a check on this next trade I did. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie pays $10, same as the euro. Or pound dollar pays the same as the euro dollar. $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. Looking at the money, easy to see this should be 9 pips. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So from there to there should be 9. If I was looking at it in real time, hitting the ADR, could have closed it out, as it wouldn't go much further past the ADR. What did I say? Around 9, eh? There it is right there. 9 pips paying out $90. And of course, remember, scalping is usually just 2 to 10 pips approximately. And of course, everything above 10 pips or ticks, I call that a bonus. Next trade I did, Euro Aussie. This one I wanted to be buying it, so we're going to drag and drop this up. From there to there, remember, that's the pullback, a little bit sideways, and it continued on its way up. Remember, you have to know how to read the charts. You have to know how to read the daily trade plan. And of course, price action. And from that point to this point where I close out, locked in, looks like 15 pips paying out $100. Okay, moving on to the next trade I did, the euro dollar. As I mentioned before, it pays $10 for each pip. So, looking at the money, easy to see this should be 13. I'm glad I'm out of the trade, because if I wasn't paying enough attention, I'd be losing. I would have had a winning trade turning into a losing trade. So you have to have trade management in order, money management in order. And if you don't know it by now, trading is very difficult. You will be needing a lot of education and support, which I offer. Both of those. Support and education. Anyhow, arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal arrow, scalper was red. Easy decision to make. From there to there should be 13. There it is right there, 13 pips paying out $130. Okay, moving on to the futures now. The Dow Jones, this one pays $5 for each tick. Took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it's 98. So let's pull up the Dow Jones here. Drag and drop this up. This one I wanted to be buying. Daily trade plan, scalper, super signal. Everything was good. I was quite sure it was going to go up. And of course I knew that it had a chance to spike back down. Didn't bother me. So I got in at this point. And what did I say? 98. So up to this point should be 98. And there it is right there. That paid out $490. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Gold pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, easy to see, it's 95.7 actually. So it's 95. Could be 96 if you want to round it up, but anyhow, let's just drag and drop this up and try to find that 95 or 96, whatever. So I knew right away just by chart reading, red arrow. Took a bit for the scalper to turn red, but there was too much telling me on the top and the bottom here it's going to do a cycle down just like this. Up and down, up and down. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn all these secrets, on how to trade the market successfully. And by the way, that's what I teach. The secrets. That's what you have to learn. So, here we go. What did I say? 95 or 6. 95 or 6. There's the 96. There's the 95. It's 95.7 actually. So, whatever it's not, let's say 95. And that ended up paying out $957. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 20. Says it's approximately 130. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So I wanted to be selling it, the arrow from the daily trade plan. I manually put it in. Super signal, everything was good. I knew it was going to go down. The telltale signs is the indicators at the bottom. So I pulled the trigger at this cursor and I closed it out here, looking for that 130. There it is right there. Remove the last 2 digits and 130 ticks, paid out $2,598. So another great day of trading using my 4X-SCALPER trading system. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total came to 385. And that ended up paying out grand total of $4,528. So if your system's not producing, like my 4X-SCALPER, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. And I didn't get a chance to show it to you. Don't forget my FibMaster tool. I have some more information on the Fibonacci tool. All you got to do is look right below this video. Now, if you have any questions whatsoever, simple, just get in contact with me. Now, that's easy to do. All you got to do is look right below this video. In the description, you'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now, you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I do answer the phone most of the time. And of course, if you don't want to call me, just send me an email. And of course, I really do prefer Skype at this point in time. Made a link for you. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have a Skype connection. And through Skype, I should be able to answer most of your questions. Now, also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. And as I mentioned many times, you're going to need a lot of education. So I made a special offer that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. Well, looks like it's time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.